Here are some steps to help you create a trading video. Plan your content, decide on the topic of your video and create a rough outline of what you want to cover. This will help you stay organized and focused while filming. Set up your equipment. You will need a good quality camera, microphone, and lighting equipment to create a professional-looking video. If you are using a smartphone to record, make sure to use a tripod to keep the camera steady. Record your video. When recording, make sure to speak clearly and at a moderate pace. You can also include visuals like charts, graphs, and other images to help illustrate your points. Edit your video. Once you have recorded your video, you can use video editing software to trim out any mistakes or unnecessary footage. You can also add music, transitions, and other effects to make your video more engaging. Publish your video. After editing, you can publish your video on YouTube or other video sharing platforms. Make sure to add a descriptive title and tags to help people find your video. Remember, creating a great trading video takes time and effort, but it can be a rewarding experience and help you build a following online. Making a trading video can be a great way to share your knowledge and insights with others in the trading community. Here are some steps you can follow to create a trading video. Plan your content. Before you start recording, it's important to plan out what you want to cover in your video. Consider the topic, the audience, and the key points you want to make. Choose your equipment. You will need a good quality camera or smartphone, a tripod, and a microphone. Make sure your audio is clear and your video is in focus. Set up your recording space. Choose a quiet, well-lit location to record your video. You may want to use a green screen or other background to create a professional look. Record your video. Start recording your video, making sure to speak clearly and concisely. You may want to use a script or outline to help you stay on track. Edit your video. Use editing software to add titles, transitions, and other elements to your video. You may also want to cut out any unnecessary footage or mistakes. Publish your video. Once your video is complete, upload it to a video sharing platform such as YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure to promote your video on social media and other relevant channels to reach your target audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions from viewers to build relationships and establish yourself as a trusted expert in the trading community. Remember, creating a high-quality trading video takes time and effort, but it can be a powerful way to share your expertise and connect with others in the industry. To make a trading video, you can follow these steps. Plan your content. Decide on the topic of your video and plan what you want to cover. This could be a specific trading strategy, an analysis of a particular market, or an overview of a trading platform. Write a script. Once you have your topic, write a script for your video. This will help you stay on track and ensure you cover all the important points. Record your screen. Use screen recording software to capture your trading platform and any other relevant content you want to show. You can also use a video camera to record yourself if you want to include a talking head. Edit your footage. Use video editing software to edit your footage, add any necessary transitions or effects, and cut out any mistakes or irrelevant content. Add voiceover and music. Record a voiceover for your video or hire a professional voiceover artist. You can also add background music to make your video more engaging. Export and share. Once your video is complete, export it to a video file format and share it on your preferred platform, such as YouTube, Vimeo, or your website. Remember to make your video engaging and informative, and to speak clearly and concisely.